Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I am going to tell you how to download and install RedNote app 2025. So let's get started with the video. You can open Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or you can use App Store if you're using iPhone. Click on the search bar and in the search bar search for RedNote app. So basically this is the RedNote app. It is not in the English language as you can see here, but once you will install it, it will ask you for the language and it will convert it to the language. You can use it in which language you are comfortable with. Click on install and as you can see the installation process has been started. Wait until it's been completed. As you can see the application has been installed. You can click on open and then agree the terms and condition of the application. After that, you can choose your date of birth here and complete the sign up process. So this is how you can download and install RedNote app 2025. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.